Hey, it's good to have you on our show again. How many times you open up your cable box to do your cinematography work, you pull out your XLR cable, and then you get this tangled mess of your audio cable? This probably happened because the previous audio dude coiled it the wrong way. And this is our tutorial today. We're going to learn how to coil it correctly by using the up and down cable coiling method. Now, the day that you get your cable, and if you coil it correctly since the first day you bought it, it's going to be effortless. So when you uncoil your cable, all you need to do is throw them. And when you throw them, they would untangle themselves beautifully in a straight line. And this is what we're going to learn to do. We're going to learn to do how to coil it up and down way. Some people call this the inside-outside way. I like to call it the up and down way. Now, every XLR audio cable comes shielded, and that is why it can uncoil wrongly. So what you need to do is very simple. Take it with one hand, with the thumb facing up, and then with your palm face down. When your palm face down, this is called down, and then up, down, 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 and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. To do this correctly, I reckon to learn this correctly, I think the best way for you to do would be to be on the same side with me, just behind me. Great, you're now on my side. Very simple. Down and up and down, up and down. There you go. That's an easy way of how you handle your cable and have them untangle every time when you want to work. But if you hate dealing with cables, you can do like what I do. I use the Sennheiser SKP100 wireless transmitter. We did a tutorial not too long ago. Go search it in our YouTube channel. So I hope to look forward to have you again in our next video tutorial. Keep watching our show.